Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the EarPods, not to be mistaken with the AirPods. These are the wired buds that go for the Apple ecosystem if you need USB-C. As you can see it here, it's the USB-C version. This is especially necessary now with the new iPhone 15 coming with USB-C port, no more Lightning for them. So this will work nicely, that and some iPads and so on and so forth. So let's see what comes included with these. These are also extremely inexpensive at around 20 bucks. So 20 euros. So the cheapest you can get into Apple, and they are superbly good for that price. So turn it around. We're trying to do no plastic here at Apple. So we have the pull tab. So lift this up and pull it up. Let's throw that to the side. This reveals the open box from the top. Flap on the side, flap on the other side. Let's pull it out. There's some other stuff in there, more stuff in there, and an empty box. Put that aside. Here we have, I guess, some sort of manual with explanations of what it can do. Actually even tells you some of the codes for answering calls, or there's like multiple clickies there, but we'll go that onto a video. Then we have some, I guess, instructions or warranty here. Let's put that aside. We have some extra regulatory compliance information, and the EarPods themselves. I keep trying to say AirPods, but they actually hide the cable really nicely, so they do look like they are actually AirPods. But let's go to the top. There's a little click there. This reveals the reality. There's a cable, and we can pop these. I guess they pop forward, and now we have to kind of like pull them out through the other side. I don't know how you're supposed to, I guess you're supposed to pop them backwards. Let's go ahead and re-pop them, but backwards. So we pop them backwards and they're coiled in here. These nicely open. And there we have it, the USB-C connector that we so much have missed on iPhones till now. So basically you have your USB-C, which is no longer Lightning. If you're confused on what Lightning looks like, this is a Lightning cable. This is a USB-C cable. Lightning has white and some contacts, and the USB-C is like an ellipse, kind of like a circle that's being squished. And then we have the cable. All the way from the cable we go into the separation between left and right headphone. And then we have our command center here. It's kind of like where you can have controls, so it's like clicky. You can actually click it, you don't hear it. There's 3 clicks. There's bottom, middle, top. And then we have our left and right. You have the letters here just on the EarPod, so left and right, L and R. Hard to see maybe with the video, but it does say so, so you know which ear you're supposed to put these in. But yeah, that's the unboxing, what it comes with. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.